Hey traders, welcome back to the new trade breakdown video. And if you are new to this channel, you can watch this complete masterclass playlist to completely understand about my strategy. And let's start the today's trade breakdown. And I trade from the 9 p.m. on New York time UTC -4, and you can see there is the market stocks are on the 15-minute time frame. Basically, I trade 15-minute time frame for the market structure and 3-minute for the entry confirmation. You can see there is the break of structure and there is the resistance become support level, and this is the apex level, and there is the fair value gap. So we cannot trade, we cannot take the long trade from this level because there is the fair value gap, and also we have to wait either this fair value gap to sweep this low, or this fair value gap has to be broken. Let's wait for the fair value gap to broken or either sweep this low. You can see this fair value gap is broken. So this is our high, and if this high is not broken by this candle close, we can take the sell trade from the counter trend zone. So we have to go to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we will mark for the counter trend zone. You can see there is the 1 hour zone. After that, we go to the 15-minute time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, we have to, on the 15-minute time frame, you have to refine the zone like this. This is the one and this is the another. You have to refine the zone within this 1 hour zone, inside this 1 hour zone, and there is the another one. There is basically 3 zones on the 15-minute time frame. Let's just extend this zone, this 3 zone, and we can delete this 1 hour zone. And this is the counter trend level, and this is the pro trend level. So after the market tap into our counter trend level, you have to wait for the confirmation, either this engulfing confirmation or this inverse fair value gap entry confirmation. There is the indicator. Simply you can source indicator prodel, and you can get the these two indicator, and you can use this. This is a completely mine indicator. I just uploaded on the trading view. This is counter trend level and this is the pro trend level. Let's wait for the any entry confirmation. You can see there is the engulfing entry confirmation which is formed here, and let's see another. This is the inverse fair value gap entry confirmation. Let's just close this entry confirmation, and we have to, and you have to wait for the 1:3 error like this. This is our break-even point because market can reach to this level, pro trend level, and it can continue this pro trend. So we have to put our trade into break-even after it touches the pro trend level. Yeah, let's just wait for the market to touch the pro trend level. This is the pro trend level, so our trade is on the break even now. Let's just wait. You can see there is no any entry confirmation here. There is the white candle, but this zone is already closed by this 15-minute candle. You can see this zone is already closed, so this is not valid zone, and market is not touched into this level anymore. So let's just close this entry confirmation and let's just play this market. You can see, and market broke this level, and it formed the break of structure to the downside like this, and this is the internal level. This is the internal. This is the support become resistance level, and after this level broken, this is also the support become resistance level, and this is the apex level. You can see here, and market did not tap into this level. You can see after the break of this level, and it went down like this. The market tap into this level, but it did not form any entry confirmation. Now you can see there is no any black candle to take the trade here, and we have this 5-minute fair value gap also. So we have to wait either this fair value gap to complete it work, like sweep this high, or it has to be broken before the entry. So let's just wait. This 5-minute fair value gap is active, so we do not have to take this trade. Let's just close it here. And if you took the trade from the 1 hour time frame, and the 5-minute combination like this, 5 minute for the lower time frame confirmation. If you take the 1 hour and 5 minute for the combination, 1 hour for the market structure and 5 minute for the entry confirmation, you can get your entry confirmation at this level like this. Inverse fair value gap entry confirmation like this, you can see. Yeah, this is the inverse fair value gap entry confirmation, and it goes like this. This is 1:3 level, and it again reached to this support become resistance level, and it formed the another entry confirmation here at this level. And let's see, yeah, it goes like this. If you take 1 hour and 5-minute combination, there is the basically 2 trade here, and for the 15-minute confirmation, for the 15-minute and 3-minute combination, you can take 2 trade here. Basically there is the one trade here and 1 trade. Basically there is the 3 trade. If you take 1 hour and 5-minute combination, there is the 2 trade, and 15-minute and 3-minute combination, here is the 1 trade. If you take 1 hour and 5-minute combination, you can also take trade at this level like this. This is the entry confirmation by the 1 hour and 5-minute combination like this. And basically I took the trade at this level because I take 15-minute and 3-minute combination, so I took only 1 trade. You can see there is another market structure back to the downside, and again it break this level. There is no any entry confirmation. You can see this was our apex, but this apex is closed by the candle body, so this is not the bearish trend. Now this is from the bullish trend, and after the 11:45 a.m. New York time zone, my trading session is closed after the 11:45 a.m. So yeah, if you want to complete understand about the strategy, you can watch this complete playlist, and you will get idea about this, and you can also join the Discord for discussion also. Yeah, thank you so much for watching till then, and see you in the next video.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.